Your credit score controls more of your life than you think, and it might be holding you back right now. Ever applied for a loan and failed just by a number? Or tried to rent a place only to be told, sorry, your score isn't good enough? What if I told you that number isn't permanent? Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix your credit score fast with real, practical steps, even it feels impossible right now. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand what makes up your credit score, you'll know how to take control of it. This isn't just wait 7 years kind of a story. This is real action right now. Let's fix it together. Let me tell you about Jason. Jason was 29, smart, hardworking, but never learned how credit worked. He got his first credit card at 21, missed a few payments, took out a loan, then another. He didn't realize he was building a credit history the whole time. By 28, his score was 580. He couldn't get approved for an apartment without a co-signer. His car loan came with a ridiculous interest rate. But here's the thing, Jason turned it around in under a year. He went from 580 to 730. How? That's what we are going to walk through. Because Jason isn't alone. Millions of people are stuck with low scores because no one ever taught them the rules until now. First, let's break it down. Your credit score is made up of 35% payment history, 30% credit utilization, 15% length of credit history, 10% credit mix, 10% new credit inquiries. That means just two things. Paying on time and keeping your balances low make up 65% of your score. Translation, if you fix those two, you are already winning. Let's dive into how to do that fast. You can't fix what you don't know. Get your full credit report for free. Go to annualcreditreport.com. Check all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Look for errors, wrong accounts, duplicate entries, old debts that should have fallen off. Accounts you never opened. If you find mistakes, dispute them immediately. You can file disputes online with each bureau. This alone can bump your score up by 30 to 100 points. Here is a trick that the wealthy know. Keep your credit usage under 30% of your total available limit. Better yet, try for under 10%. If you have a $1,000 credit limit, don't let your balance go over $300. To lower your utilization fast, pay down balances ASAP. Ask for a credit limit increase, but don't spend more. Open a new card with caution to raise your total limit. Utilization is updated every 30 days. Pay on time. This is the golden rule. One late payment can tank your score. So here is how to protect it. Set up auto pay for minimums. Use calendar reminders for manual payments. If you are running late, call your lender ASAP. Sometimes they will work with you. Bonus tip, if you have a history of on-time payments but one recent slip-up, ask for a goodwill adjustment. Many lenders will remove one late mark if you have been a reliable customer. Most people wait for history to build itself, not us. We are going to add good credit history to your report right now. Here is how. Become an authorized user on a responsible family member's credit card. Use programs like Experian Boost to add utilities and rent payments. Take out a credit builder loan and pay it off on time. You don't have to wait 10 years for your score to grow. You can grow it today by adding positive history intentionally. Have collections, you can still fight back. Here is what to do. Contact the agency and ask for a pay for delete agreement. Get it in writing before paying. If they refuse, still pay it, but then dispute it as paid and inaccurate. Once collections are gone, your score can climb fast. Don't fall into the trap of credit card overload. 1 or 2 secured credit cards can do wonders. Just remember, keep your usage low. Pay in full. Don't apply for 5 cards at once. Too many inquiries can hurt your score. Slow, consistent activity is equal to long-term score health. Fixing your credit isn't just about numbers. It's about rebuilding confidence. You are not bad with money. You are just never shown how to manage it in this system. Now you know. Keep monitoring your credit every month. Celebrate small wins. And remember, your score doesn't define you, but it can empower you. Let's recap. Get your credit reports, dispute the errors, lower your utilization, pay on time always, add positive history, strategically tackle collections, build credit carefully. Your credit score doesn't have to stay broken. You can fix it faster than you think. This isn't just about getting approved for loans. It's about freedom. It's about options. So take the first step today, because every point you reach is a step closer to the life you deserve. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it. You got this. Let's fix your credit together.